In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new board and card in Trello. First, open Trello and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Create button. Click it, then choose Board. This is where you'll start building a new workspace for your project, task list, or team plan. Now enter a name for your board. Pick something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you'll be creating multiple boards for different purposes. After typing the name, click Create Board. Trello will open your new board right away. At this point, your board is created, but it still needs structure. Inside the new board, click Add a List. Type in the name of your first list, then click Add List. Lists help you organize work into stages or categories, such as ideas, tasks to do, work in progress, or completed items. If you need more sections, just repeat the same process and create additional lists as needed. Once your lists are in place, you're ready to add cards. Open the list where you want to place a task, then click Add a Card. Enter a card title that clearly describes the task or item, and click Add Card. That creates your first card inside the list. You can repeat this as many times as needed to build out your tasks and keep everything organized. To add more detail to a card, click on the card to open it. From here, you can customize it in several useful ways. If you want to assign the card to someone, click Members, and choose the person who should be responsible for it. This is especially helpful when working with a team. Next, click Labels if you want to organize cards visually. Labels can help you sort tasks by priority, type, status, or any system that works for you. You can also click Due Date to set a deadline, which is great for keeping track of time-sensitive tasks. If your card needs supporting material, you can attach files or links directly to it. That makes it easier to keep everything related to the task in one place, instead of searching through messages or folders later. And that's it. You now created a new board, added lists, added cards, and customized those cards with assignments, labels, due dates, and attachments. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. As a quick tip, try keeping your board names simple and your card titles specific, so it's easy to scan everything at a glance. Trello works best when your setup stays clean and easy to maintain. With just a few steps, you can turn a blank board into a simple and effective workflow. Congratulations, you're all set to start using Trello more efficiently.